A twisted lark's head knot is very useful, and with practice you can do it just this fast. If you were doing this in the field, your ground anchor would have already been set first, and then your kite launched into the air secondly. Let's regard a section of the line that the kite would be flying on. Pull in enough slack to make a simple loop in your flight line. Take that loop and fold it over on itself to form a sideways letter T. By bringing the loops together, you've essentially made a double loop. In this step, the loop is folded in such a way as to create the letter X. The letter X is further folded in half to form a single loop that has now 4 strands. Your 4-stranded loop can be set over your anchor and cinched down. It is the crossed strands that prevent the slipping. I start with a length of line and create a loop. I fold the end of the loop back over in order to form the T. Now, in a smooth motion, I will join the 2 strands and run my thumbs through in order to spread the loops apart. A half twist forms an X, and then I collapse it into a single loop with 4 strands. This is what I use to clip in to a carabiner, or slide over the top of a carabiner, or using a figure 8 or a descender ring, putting the loops around the narrowest part or the throat.